Wellesbourne Traffic, Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf, take flight, taxi into Alpha for 18. So welcome back to another Private Pilot vlog. I hope you're all well. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Happy New Year to you. So I'm just literally doing one circuit, so I thought I'd take you guys on board. I haven't flown for 64 days, and last time I only did two excuse me, landing and takeoffs. And today I'm taking a passenger on board this afternoon, so I need to get in another takeoff and landing, so just doing a quick circuit around Wellesbourne. Hope you enjoy this very short flight. I think it normally takes about 7 minutes to do a circuit, something like that. We have got a bit of traffic in front of us, so hopefully they're not in the circuit. I'll give them plenty of room. If you have subscribed to my channel, please do click on the notification bell, as you'll be notified every time I post a video.
Wellesbourne Traffic, Golf India, Alpha is at the hold 18 and entering 18 for immediate departure.
Okay, so we'll just let this guy go ahead of us. Doesn't look like there's anyone on final. No one called final, base. Golf Bravo Golf at Alpha, lining up for 18. No one on final, so it's Wellesbourne Traffic service. I thought the tower was home till 3, but it must have been home till 1. So just trying to get hold of the guy in front. Move this back up. Golf Bravo Golf rolling 18. Okay, that's good. Full power.
Golf India, Alpha will be clearing to the west, same local.
Airspeed's alive. Okay, rotate. Okay, above 400 feet. Got Loxley Village on the right. Keep on climbing. Turn as we go over Loxley Village. Nice view back down the runway. So approaching 1,000 feet. Full throttle back. Keep the circuit height. Turn. Downwind. Touch low. Wellesbourne Traffic, Golf Bravo Golf, downwind to land. So we're just downwind now. Everything looks good. So as I mentioned earlier, it's just I need to do one landing, one takeoff and landing to keep currents to be able to take passengers with me. So you need to do 3 takeoff and landings within 90 days. I've only done 2 in the last 64. So I just needed to get this one in before I can take one passenger up. So we're just downwind now, motoring along. So in the next 10 seconds, put a bit of carb heat on. I'm going to power back to make turn around the village. I'll put some I'll put a couple of stages of flap in. So 90 knots. So just base leg now, there's no one else on final. Wellesbourne Traffic, Golf Bravo Golf, 10 in final 418. I've just overshot the centre line slightly. Nice view of Charlie Cook Park down there. So landing light can come on. Let's get straightened up. So 80 knots. Carb heat's out. Just reduce the RPM. Just try to slow this down a little touch. Carb heat back in. So we're over the threshold, reducing the power back. Eyes to the end of the runway, centre line. Near enough centre line. Might as well roll to the end. Wasn't too bad for my first landing after 64 days. Okay, we're going to vacate here. Wellesbourne Traffic, Golf Bravo Golf, runway vacated. So now we're just going to clear up, so flaps can come up, landing light can come off. So it wasn't too bad. So thank you for watching this short flight, one circuit at Wellesbourne. I hope you're enjoying all the videos that I'm making, and got lots of exciting plans this year, and I can't wait to share those with you. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, as it does help grow my channel, and also you get an email every time I post a video. If you've got any feedback or anything you'd like me to do this year, please comment below. Or if you fancy joining me, please comment or email me directly, and I'd love to share a flight with you. There we go.